Hello everyone. Hello Boomtown. My name is Julia and I would like to share with you my thoughts and ideas about the mind and the parenthood of the mind. We don't have an inner child like most of us think. However, we have an inner parent. Scientists call it brain and nervous system. I call it thinking brain. We all know what our brain is, right? It is that 3 pounds of convoluted mass of gray and white matter in our heads, serving to control and coordinate mental and physical actions. The brain is like a computer that controls the body's functions, and nervous system is like a network that relays messages to parts of the body. Our senses that take information from the environment, these become electrical signals which travels through the nervous system of the brain, which then gives the meaning and respond by releasing neurochemicals and dispatching electrical signals, which in turns regulates the body, control movements, and influence emotions. Well, all this information and related information to that, could be easily found in books and the internet. However, what about the human mind? What about the human parent of the mind? Which is quite interesting subject. To me, it means to have an inner parent. It means is to have an inner locator that observe and monitors mind and mind movement. Every thought, between every thought, every desire and every emotion, every imagination, it observes the dynamics of the whole and in separate parts. It prevents us from unnecessarily errors and acts as an inner guide. However, on the contrary, the opposite of the inner parent, and I will call that arena asshole that unfortunately everyone's have. Now that we can understand such a dynamics, we can follow evolutionary steps of their parenthood through our relationship with our cognitive abilities. One thing we know for sure, we have a thinking brain that have a capacity to evolve and been evolving. However, there is no gods, angels or tooth fairies like on a really strange, based on a strange imagination some people think. Well, but here is the human brain evolving or de-evolving. As strange as it seems, it's up to us. And I think the most challenging and at the same time rewarding is to have a human brain mind. One untraced thought, one untraced imagination becomes an identity and a disaster. One, on the contrary, when understood the relationship, one thought, one imagination becomes an invitation into intelligence and therefore human mind's evolution. Welcome to the parenthood. Thank you everyone. Back to you, Boomtown.